floor. They work so hard.
I don't know you guys.
They're messing sometimes more. Hey, let's get known. We'll have the spotlight shining and all of our work shown. Buy some matching clothes for our live shows. Yuck.
So is your mom coming?
Oh yeah. Where can I get snowballs?
I don't want snowballs.
You want balls? Balls.
No.
Snowballs.